Hello little friends. So today, let us once again go through the BR words. Then we shall write them again in the notebook. And finally, we will end with an activity related to the BR words.
Now children, I will show you some words with pictures that will help you to understand the BR words better. Our first BR word is brick. Br-I-K, brick. B-R-I-C-K, brick. A brick is something used to build a house. It is a building material. It is made out of mud and is rectangular in shape. Brick को हिंदी में ईंट कहते हैं. Here is the picture of a broom. Br-U-M, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. A broom is used to clean mainly the floor. It is generally long. Each of you will surely have a broom in your house. Broom को हिंदी में झाड़ू कहते हैं. Now we have the picture of a brush. Brush, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. There are different types of brushes, but the brush that we see in the picture here is a painter's brush. A painter uses the brush to paint the walls of your house and make it look beautiful. ब्रश को हिंदी में ब्रश ही कहते हैं. Children, what do you see in the picture? This is the picture of a brain. Br-A-N, brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. A brain is an important part of our body and is in our head as seen in the picture. It helps us to think and understand. Brain को हिंदी में दिमाग कहते हैं. Our last BR word for today is brown. Br-O-W-N, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. What is brown? Brown is a color as seen on the screen. Bonvita and chocolates are usually brown in color. Brown को हिंदी में भूरा कहते हैं. We will now begin with writing the date in the margin. So we will write today's date 8-8-2020. Now we will leave 2 finger space and write the title BR words on the same line outside the margin. 2 finger space, B R. 1 finger space, W O R D S. Words. BR words. I will now draw 3 lines. first line, the second line, and the third line. So children, are you all ready to write the BR words? The first word, close to the margin, brick, brick, B-R-I-C-K, brick. Start from the red line, come down to the blue line, go up and curve blue line to blue line, B, down, up and curve blue line to blue line, R, down and a dot, I, blue line to blue line, curve, C. From the red line you come down, from the center you go out to the blue line, leave a little space and come down to the blue line, K, B-R-I-C-K, brick. A brick is a building material used to build a house. Brick का मतलब ईंट. The next word, broom, B-R-O-O-M, broom. From the red line, you come down, you go up and curve blue line to blue line, B, down, up and curve, R, make a circle, blue line to blue line, O, O, down, up, curve and down, up, curve and down, M, B-R-O-O-M, broom. A broom is used to clean mainly the floor. Broom का मतलब झाड़ू. The next word, brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, you go up, curve, blue line to blue line, B, down, up and curve, R, down, you curve, you go up and you come down, blue line to blue line, U, curve and a reverse curve, blue line to blue line, S. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, you go up, you curve and again you come down, H, B-R-U-S-H, brush. A painter uses the brush to paint the walls of your house. Children, I hope you are writing along with me. The next word, brain, brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain. From the red line, you come down, you go up and you curve B, down, up and curve blue line to blue line, R, curve around, up and down, blue line to blue line, A, down and a dot, I, down, up, curve and down, N, B-R-A-I-N, brain. A brain is an important part of our body and is in our head. Brain का मतलब दिमाग. The last word, brown, brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. From the red line, you come down, you go up and you curve B, down, up and curve blue line to blue line, R, O, blue line to blue line, down and up, blue line to blue line, W, down, up and curve and down, N, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown is a color. Brown का मतलब भूरा. So let us revise the BR words once again. Brick, brick, B-R-I-C B-R-O-C-K, brick. Br-o-m, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Brush, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Brain, brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Brown, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Children, do read each word twice and write the same set of BR words in the remaining 3 columns.
Now children, we will do an activity related to the BR words.
Children, now for the activity I have this tray in which I have petals with words written on them. Now look at the circle with BR written on it. It is the center of our BR words flower. In order to complete our flower, we have to first separate the BR word petals from the other word petals. So let's begin with our activity and see what is written on the first petal. Okay, so the first petal is brown. Brown. Can you hear the br sound in brown? Yes. So there goes the first petal on the flower. The next petal has clock written on it. Br clock. Br clock. No br sound. So it goes to the side. Our next petal has sleep written on it. Oh, this too goes to the side as we cannot hear the br sound in sleep. Our next petal has broom written on it. Br, broom. The br sound can be heard, so it belongs to the BR flower. The flower gets one more petal. Our next petal has the word brain written on it. Can you hear the br sound? Br brain, br brain. Yes, yes, we can hear it so clearly. So, this too belongs to the BR flower. Now, our BR flower is looking more like a flower, but yet not complete. What can you read on the next petal? It is black. No br sound. So this petal goes to the side. Now, what do we have here? This petal has the word brick written on it. Brick. Brick. Yes, we can clearly hear the br sound in brick. So again, one more petal for our BR flower. See children, our flower is almost complete. Our next petal has glass written on it. Br glass? No br sound. So, on the side it goes. Then, we have the word flock written on this petal. Oh, again, this too goes on the side as we cannot hear the r sound in it. Our last petal has brush written on it. Yay! Brush, brush. We can hear the br sound. So, one more petal and our flower is complete and looks so beautiful. So let's read all the words of the BR flower once again. Brown, broom, brain, brick and brush.
So children, now I'm sure you know what the BR blend is all about. Don't forget to practice it along with the other blends too. Bye bye children. Be good and